Hello, today I'm going to fit this to this. So I want it something like, well, not something, exactly like that. Got a few bits of weld and this lip I need to grind off. Do the safety squint, or shall I use these glasses? Go on. So what that lip? That's it. Get rid of the lip and the lumps. I can make a start with the old cardboard aided design. Just mark that. That's it. Take the bolts out of there. Looking at the holes. That's really a little tiny bit smaller. Very straight. We'll square it up when I mark it on the metal. Like that. That settles back. That's the one there. Mark the holes out, and then we're good to go. Yeah, we'll get some primer on that as well. Make the moles a bit bigger. So put some primer on here. We've made this plate. Let's also put some primer on the plate underneath. So drill some holes now. A trusty hammer. Should. Too sharp for its own good, that. Bit tight. It's hard to get it in the right place. Right, let's get it back off. Lovely. Right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to glue it, screw it, tattoo it. Oh, it stinks. Now, this is seam sealant. This will glue it on its own. It's what they use between car panels in the factory. Oh, it's messy though. Don't really want to get it everywhere. But mess is my middle name. A smaller paintbrush would help. Lid on. Put it on there. Right. take our tool, wind it in, give it a good old squeeze. Just repeat the process.
I saw the main gate, so the main door, because still here, that's fine. Yeah, all right. Cheers.
Cabentic line. And the last one. Oh, by the heck. Right. Fingers crossed. It's gonna fit. It's better just getting the bolts going a little bit first. Get my big fingers in there. That'll do, we don't need to permanently fit it, I've still got to do some painting. Amongst other things. Tell you what we'll do. Take that one out. Just put two in. For now. One in. Oh, it's in. Tight of that one. Oh. It's still a bit wobbly, but I'll just put another one in there. Like this, right. Like I said, I'm going to take it back out anyway. Yeah, it was more that. Thought they all we missed the line, but it'll go. Right, in my next video I'm going to attack this. I don't know if you can see it. The steering column, I'm going to be converting it to a Corsa electric steering column.